So,
Mayonnaise,
mayonnaise, ketchup, and something else.
Barbecue sauce.
It's too nice.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
If you love food like me, listen. I ordered the BYG Classic Platter, and this is not just food. This is a full-blown experience. First of all, the packaging is clean and classy. Now, let's talk about what we have inside. We have grilled chicken, sweet corn, suya, gizzard, fried yam, fried plantain, fried Irish and sweet potatoes, jollof rice, fried rice, salad, and many more. The chicken is easily my favorite. Crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. And that sauce. 10 over 10.
Chicken sauce.
I've tasted it. I think this is a mixture of mayonnaise, ketchup, and something else.
Barbecue sauce.
It's too nice.
I am already planning my next order. BYG, you just got yourself a loyal customer.